Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add threads to Instagram bio. So guys, if you have lost it here, I will show you how to get this badge back onto your Instagram profile for your threads app. So I will give you some possible solutions to get this badge back onto your Instagram profile. So the very first solution to get this back is that you will have to just make it so that you are using an update version of Instagram as well as Threads application. So for that, just open your Play Store, and for here you just search for Threads app, and as you can see I am using the latest version of Threads application. And same here, you have to search for Instagram and make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram as well. As you can see, there is an update, so I'm just going to update it. So after this, you have to check your badge is back or not. If not, the second solution is you will have to just deactivate your Threads profile for one time, and you will have to reactivate your Threads profile to get this patch back on your Instagram profile. So for that, just open your Threads app, and from here tap on your profile icon, tap on two lines and go for account, and from here tap on deactivate profile. So just tap on deactivate Threads profile, and after this you have to reactivate your profile after some time to get back your badge again. And if it doesn't work, you have to go for the third solution. You have to report your problem to Instagram team, and hopefully they will fix your issue. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on these three bars in the upper right corner. Go for settings and privacy, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit and you will find this option help. So just tap on help and go for report a problem. Again tap on report a problem, and after this tap on include and continue. So guys, here you will have just briefly explain your problem here, and then you will have to send this to report to Instagram team. So hopefully after this they will contact you in 24 hours, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.